these hands, I will cling to you. I'm yours forever and a day. With these hands, I will bring to you a tender love as warm as May. With this heart, I will sing to you. Long after stars have lost their glow,